Welcome to Freewheeling Through Paradise, my tour of Thailand's 77 provinces. We're going to start our journey in the northwest of Thailand in Mae Hong Son province, and then work our way south along the Myanmar border, visiting Tak, Kanchanaburi and Ratchaburi along the way. I hope you enjoy the ride. Well, back on the road again, up the winding road. I think I've got about 80 kilometers to go. God knows how long that will take me, but it's a beautiful scenic drive. The best way to get to Mae Hong Son, I think, is from Chiang Mai, but that involves the route 1095. It's only about 83 kilometers as the crow flies from Chiang Mai to Mae Hong Son, or Pai. Definitely climbing again. Short stretch of straight road ahead. Now there's a tongue twister for you. But there are 762 bends on the road. It's okay when you're driving, but I think the passengers at the back have a few problems with travel sickness. One of the attractions in Pai is called the Pai Canyon, and from this angle it really does look quite benign. Lovely hills in the background, but the reality is quite different. These cliffs, I guess you'd call them, are extremely dangerous with sheer drops, and I didn't go anywhere near the edges. I was suffering vertigo just watching the people. My God, this is dirt track. Hope the car survives, and if it does, a worthwhile trip. Refugee country. No wonder borders are porous. I could walk down to the village, climb up that hill, and I'd be in Burma. Not that I'd want to go there. This is the Kareni village, just by the Myanmar border. And by God, it is remote. Certainly another world. Difficult to believe this is the same country as Bangkok, with its towers and glamour and glitz. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, good morning, young man. Hello. Oh dear. Are you scared? The Freedom Harvest Ministry Grace House Children's Home. Christian ministries, missionaries. Good morning. But this is what she wears around her neck. And my God, it's heavy. I don't know, maybe at least a kilo, maybe more. Any 3 kilo? Nai mak? Good morning. You're a very beautiful lady. Very nice. 3 kilos. Any kilo?
อันนี้กิโลกว่า1 กิโล
Kilo gua.
ค่ะ
ขอบคุณ So it's straight out of the bottle. When needs must. Hopefully this will get me 30 kilos to the next PTT or pump. No idea where I am, but it's all good fun. Okay, that spit on my hand, but never mind. All the fun of travel. There really is some spectacular scenery up there near the border. It looks like something out of Mordor. And it's great driving country, I must say. But as I drove back towards a more familiar and comfortable world, I could not help wondering, where were all the men?